Not every rescue cat gets a happy ending. Marshmallow, whom I rescued in 2022, passed away shortly after moving to foster care because of how bad his condition already was. Zoe, whom I rescued in Saitama in 2019, also passed away a few weeks after moving into foster care due to existing health issues. Both cats were sweet and deserved better. Life outside is hard. Sometimes being rescued just gives these tired animals a safe space to finally relax and pass away with peace and dignity. Sometimes that's all we can give them.